Incontrovertible evidence refers to evidence that leaves no doubt as to a particular conclusion. It is the evidence introduced to prove a fact in a trial, which is supposed to be so conclusive that there can be no other truth as to the matter. This type of evidence is often introduced in a trial to prove a fact. A fingerprint found at a crime scene that matches the defendant's fingerprint is considered incontrovertible evidence that the defendant was present at the scene of the crime. A DNA test that proves a person is the biological parent of a child is considered incontrovertible evidence of paternity.